Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Do Not Disturb stuck on Samsung Galaxy S21. If you're using Galaxy S21 and you're facing the issue that your Do Not Disturb mode has been stuck on, like if you have enabled your Do Not Disturb mode and now your Do Not Disturb mode is stuck, like you're unable to turn it off. So let's see how can you do that. You just have to go back. The very first thing you have to make sure that your any update is not installing, because sometimes it might be that if your phone is on installing any update, so you might see these type glitches, and make sure that you might have an internet software update. Now if your do not disturb mode is not working, so you can try to make a restart with your device. Just click on this power icon here, click on restart, and then click on restart button again. And once your phone has been restarted, you have to retry, and this time your phone will be disabled from do not disturb. But if your issue is still not fixed, so you can go ahead to your settings app here, scroll down, go to general management, click on reset here, and click on reset all settings, and click on reset all settings again. It will completely reset your phone settings to default. So once your phone setting has been reset, your do not disturb mode will be also reset. And once it's had been reset, now you can easily use that without an issue like that. You will not get the stuck issue of your do not disturb mode again. So in this way, you can easily fix if your do not disturb has been stuck and Samsung Galaxy S21. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.